Hello guys, how are you today? Today I will teach you how you can create a USB, bootable USB for any Mac system. Today I will show you how you can download High Sierra or another device. For this purpose, we need a USB at least 8 gigabyte, and we need the ISO from Mac iOS. So first I have my memory insert, so I can use this one. So first we need to just format the memory, the USB. So you go to the your file explorer, and then you choose the memory, and then you just format. Doesn't matter in which format, you can put a FAT32, you just Mac, can put anything. You can do a quick start. You wait a little bit. So here you go. We have the USB already created. We check it out. We go to this PC. You see Mac is empty for free. Now we need to go to internet. You can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, any explorer that you have. And you just type the thing you see in blue, archive.org Mac OS ISO installer. So you hit enter. And the first one, as you see, is archive. So they say no longer maintenance, but don't worry guys, just hit click there and you will find the iOS for H file. As you see here on the right hand, here you see ISO image. So click there. In my case, I will install High Sierra. This is for a device 2011. So you can see here a little bit story about the files, but in my case, I use that one. High Sierra. So I need to download. So you see it start to downloading. That will take around 6 or depend of your internet connection, but most of the time it's so quick. So I will post the video now. I will let you know when the file finish. Okay. Hey guys, yeah, the downloading still is a 1 hour remind. But in the meantime, we can download this software. That's the second software we needed. We go to Google search bar and we type TransMac 14 download. We're looking for about it. As you see, it's a new one. So just be careful because sometimes it's a lot of viruses there, but it does look like a trust. So we're trying to download the new version, the 15.3. So trust. So download now. And we can keep the file waiting. It's not yet. We're looking from here. Okay, you see here, if just click here if doesn't start automatic. So we continue waiting, you see, it's still waiting, so we wait a little bit more before to hit click there. Yeah, guys, we got it, you see, TM setup. So he's already download. So we go to File, Explorer, we look for download, and we have that one here. We just right click and we extract all. We can extract it here, no worry. So we need to wait a little bit. And you just give double clean setup. Don't worry high about it. This is a software, a free software you can use for 14 days. After that one, you need to pay a little month of money, but don't worry. You can uninstall and install again as many times as you need it. So we scroll down, next, next, just click next. So associated, yes, I put an icon on the desktop, yes, install. And we just run that one. We can close this window, guys. We're still waiting for Google finish, the High Sierra ISO. So you see the icon TransMac here. We need to wait a little bit more until my file finish to download. It's still running, so I will reconnect again once they finish, okay? Hey guys, after almost 3 hours waiting for the download, we start to preparing, just remind couple seconds, so we start to preparing the software. So if you open TransMac, so that will be open, so you can click run, and you see the USB is ready for setup this one. So you just click here and say format this for Mac. Okay? Over. You need to click over the USB that you have in your system. Okay? So format this for Mac. Do you want to restart from Mac? Yes. They're asking for admin permissions to do it. You need to wait a little bit here again in 10 seconds. You see the counting there. By the way, I will put the screen a little bit bigger for you guys. Okay, clean run. I put 150. So at least can people see me better. That's better for you guys. You see a little bit blurry, but it's fine. So right click again, format this so that this maybe lost everything in the disk. I say yes. You can put any name. Okay, guys, just click here in OK. That will delete every file. So you see override, you say, are you want to continue? Say click yes. We wait a little bit. I will pause the video a little bit and then back to you back when they're finished. In the meantime, we can change the name, now we have the ISO we download, so we need to change the name for DMG. So the easy way, I saw many tutorials on internet using the command line, but in this case I can click here in view. You are in the file explorer, remember? File explorer, you can go here to view and you see the file extensions. View, click here is and file extension. And then you change the name to DMG. That's the format for Mac. That's the easy way to do it. Then become this advertising, you just click in yes. So don't worry about it. Once you have the file ready with DMG, we back to the software already finished, as you see. Then we it's already done, so we right click over and we say restore with this image. So remember, we have the image in as download folder. That's what I put it last time. So download folder and you see DMG. That's the software. You say open and you say OK. So and then remember this is no, they will be writing. Yeah, large volume to drive size, yes. So say OK and that's start to do it. I will connect back once this finish, okay? That's take around an hour sometimes. Okay, guys, as you can see, the memory is finished. You just need to hit OK, and then you need to just unplug your USB. In my case, it's the Ultra USB 3.0. And then, if you want to boot the Mac devices, you just need to plug the memory and turn it on the device, keeping the option key pressing, and then you will see the option there. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.